Okay guys, this has to be one of my favorite eyeshadow looks to date. I just started doing nails again, gel extensions, and so I wanted to do an eye makeup look inspired by it. For the nails, I did this really beautiful red and leopard slash cheetah print design, French tips and all, with some glitter obviously. So that's the vibe for this look. I did this red cut crease, I blended it out really well. If the brush is fluffy enough and you use light pressure, it'll blend out basically automatically. Then I used my favorite water activated eyeliner palette from Mehron, and I use it to make all the cheetah designs. It's way easier than it looks, and I love doing this cheetah leopard print because you can make mistakes and you won't even notice. I rate the stress level on this eye makeup look maybe like a out of 5, a 3. Take your time, make it a fun process. People always ask me, like, how do you spend that much time just sitting there staring at yourself? First of all, funny of you to ask because it's not very much of a chore for me to look at myself. And I just feel at peace when I'm doing my makeup. It really grounds me. I usually think a lot in my day-to-day life, and when I'm doing my makeup or getting dressed up or whatever, my brain just stays quiet. I just feel the creativity flow through me. That's how it's supposed to be. It's not makeup for everyone, but it could be like just doing self-care. It could be painting. It could be walking. It could be talking to people. Just find what makes you feel alive because that's what's going to really connect you to your heart and soul. Okay, guys, if you recreate this look, please show me. DM me photos. I love to see it. I feel so honored every time. I absolutely loved how this turned out, matched perfectly with my nails. And this is the final look.